Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to use Creatine by Mukesh Ji, updated. Start by taking 3-5 grams daily with a meal or post-workout shake to top up stores. Avoid loading phases unless advised by a coach. Stay hydrated and track strength and body weight so you can see clear progress over weeks. Daily consistency matters more than exact timing, so pick a time you can stick with. Post-workout with carbs or a morning dose with breakfast both work well for most people. If you choose to load, use short loading only for quicker saturation, then switch to maintenance. Adjust based on body weight and training intensity while monitoring water intake. Creatine is well-researched and safe for most people when used responsibly at 3-5 grams daily. Prioritize reputable brands and third-party tested powders to avoid impurities. Pair supplementation with structured resistance training for measurable strength gains. If you have health conditions or are on medication, talk to a healthcare provider before starting. Track strength, weight, and how you feel during the first month.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.